How to play games on Snapchat. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, head over to your application Snapchat. Head over to the chat section. Move into the inbox of the person that you want to play a game with. So right here beside this emoji, you should be seeing the rocket icon. But right now, after the latest update of Snapchat, the rocket icon has disappeared and you are not able to play the games on Snapchat anymore. But still, there is one way where you can play games on Snapchat. Head over to any web browser. In the source bar, search for Snapchat older version 2022. Head over to the very first site. Scroll down and search for the oldest version of Snapchat. Once you find it, head over to it. So all you gotta do is download this older version of Snapchat on your device. And once it is installed, the rocket icon will appear. And you'll be able to play games on Snapchat. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to play games on Snapchat. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thanks for watching it till the end.